This pineapple upside down sour cream cake combines a buttered rum roasted pineapple cherry topping with an ultra moist sour cream cake center, a sweet pecan crust, and is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. Try this rustic skillet dessert with a scoop of Philadelphia style cream cheese ice cream. To make the buttered rum pineapple cherry topping, cut a fresh pineapple as if it were a canned pineapple ring. Use round pastry cutters to fit the shape of the skillet and the size of the pineapple core to cut a slice about 35 grams and remove the pit from a big cherry. Then melt 10 grams butter and mix with 5 grams rum and 10 grams brown sugar. Spread on the bottom of the skillet, add the pineapple ring with the cherry in the center and roast in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 5 minutes to start the caramelizing of the fruit, heating it through so the cake will bake more evenly on top of it. To make the sour cream cake, cream 25 grams sugar with 25 grams room temperature butter, 15 grams sour cream, a splash of vanilla extract, and an egg yolk. Fold in 25 grams flour, an eighth of a teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt until evenly distributed, being careful not to overmix. Spread the batter on top of the fruit, mix 10 grams chopped pecans with 10 grams brown sugar, and spread evenly on top. Bake in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes. The upside down cake is done when the center is domed, caramelized, and a toothpick test comes out clean. Wait about 10 minutes or until the skillet is cool enough to handle, then use a small palette knife to free the cake from the top and sides, then invert it onto a plate.